Adobe XD is a versatile tool for web design, offering a wide range of features to create interactive and visually appealing websites. Here's how you can effectively use Adobe XD for web design. Starting a new web design project. Open Adobe XD. Launch Adobe XD on your computer. Create a new file. Select the type of document for web design, typically a web design or UI design project. Choose a preset. Use preset sizes for common devices or customize your own dimensions. Design your website. Create layouts. Use tools like rectangles, lines, text boxes, and images to build your design. Drag and drop components onto the artboard to create various web pages. Wireframes and prototypes. Design low-fidelity wireframes first and then transition to more refined high-fidelity designs. Use features like grids and guides to ensure alignment and consistency. Add interactivity. Implement interactions between screens by adding links, buttons, and transitions. Use the prototype mode to define how users navigate between different pages or sections. Collaborate and share. Share designs. Share web designs with clients or team members by exporting the design as a PDF, PNG, or interactive prototype link. Use the share feature to allow real-time feedback. Comments and feedback. Incorporate feedback directly into the design with comments and annotations, ensuring a streamlined review process. Testing and refining. Review responsiveness. Test your web design on different screen sizes to ensure responsiveness across devices. Refinement. Edit and refine designs based on feedback or design requirements, keeping usability and aesthetics in mind. Export and development. Export assets. Once the design is finalized, export assets like images, icons, and code snippets for development. Integrate with development tools. Use exported assets and designs for handoff to developers for implementation.